Hello, welcome back to another video lecture. And in this video lecture, I will discuss about correlative conjunctions. Most likely, I will expect that you know about conjunctions. So, conjunction is a word that is used to join words, phrases, or sentences, or even clauses. So, that is conjunction. In this video lecture, particularly, I will discuss about correlative conjunctions. So, it's a type of conjunction. Let us see the sentence first. Either I will sail or swim till I reach a dry land. So in this sentence, the words which are highlighted in yellow color are correlative conjunctions. So that's what we will learn in this video lecture. Let's get started. So first thing first, let us understand correlative conjunction as its definition says. A pair of words that work to connect balanced words or phrases. Alright, so correlative conjunction is a word or a pair of words that is used to join words or sentences of equal importance. Alright, so that's what correlative conjunction do. Alright, so they connect words or sentences or phrases of equal importance. So correlative conjunctions usually appear in pair. If you see this, not only but also. So this group of words is a correlative conjunction and they appear in pair. That means they both will appear in a single sentence. Like in the sentence, he is not only strong but also kind. So that's what correlative conjunction does. And that's how correlative conjunctions are used in a sentence to join sentences or words of equal importance. So we will try to learn few and important correlative conjunctions. Let us learn the use of whether or. So it emphasizes uncertain options. Yes, that means when you are having options, all right, that means something to choose, then it gives you that option. And then we use whether or. It tells us about your uncertainty to take the decision. All right, that means you're like you are confused which one to choose first. Like in the sentence, he was confused about whether to eat the candy or the cake first. So it tells us about options which are not certain, right? In the sentence, the person is confused whether to eat the candy first or to eat the cake first. So that's how it is expressed with the help of the correlative conjunctions whether or. Let's see another sentence. She can't decide whether to go or not. Let's continue. Let us learn neither nor. So neither nor is used to talk about two negative alternatives. Yes, so usually when you are talking about two negative aspects in a sentence, then we use neither or nor. Right, so it would be like she likes neither coffee nor tea but soda. So neither nor is used when you are talking about two negative aspects which has no chance of to be real, right? But rather another thing happens or take place. Like in this sentence, she likes neither coffee, right? She doesn't like coffee and no tea. Yes, she doesn't like tea as well. But what she likes soda. So she likes neither coffee nor tea but soda. Let us see another example. Neither the rain nor the snow stopped the event from happening. Alright, so neither the rain nor the snow could stop the event from taking place. So that's what it is expressed here. So neither nor is used to express such negative aspects. Alright, so negative aspects which are not likely to be real. That's how neither nor is used as a correlative conjunction. Let's continue. Let us see either or. This conjunction presents two alternatives indicating a choice between them. All right. So again, we are talking about options, right? So, but in this case, when we are using either or, then we have two options, but we can have only one. We can take option one or maybe option two, but not the both. So in such a case, we use either or. Like in this sentence, he could drive either the yellow car or the green car. So in this sentence, the person has the option to drive the cars, but he cannot drive the both. So the person has to take the yellow one or the green one. Right? So it's talking about options where you can have choice, but only one choice you can make. Let us see how not only but also is used. So this conjunction emphasizes two qualities. Alright, so when you are about to express two qualities of the same subject, then we use not only but also. Right. Or qualities of something. Like in the sentence, Yasuko not only mourns her loss but also carries orange flowers every day. So in this sentence, it is telling us about two qualities of Yasuko. So that person's two qualities. The first is she is sad, she mourns her loss, and then she carries orange flowers every day. So that's what it is expressed here with the help of the correlative conjunction, not only but also. Let us see another sentence. She is not only sad but also heartbroken. Right? So two qualities, sad, the other quality, heartbroken. So in such a case, we use not only but also. Let's continue. Let us see the use of both and. This conjunction connects two subjects. Alright, so when we are talking about two subjects, then these subjects are connected or related with the help of both and. Like in this sentence, both the crowd and the champion were celebrating her world title. So in this sentence, crowd is one subject and the champion is another subject, right? So they both were celebrating the title. Another sentence, both the teacher and the students are present in the auditorium, right? So we are talking about the teacher as well as the students, two subjects here. So when we are talking about two subjects in a sentence, we use the correlative conjunction both and. Let us see the use of though, yet. This conjunction connects two opposite aspects. Alright, so when we are talking about two opposite things in a sentence, we use though, yet. Like in this sentence, though the fight was tough, yet she won with flying colors. Yes, so here we are talking about completely two opposite ideas. Like the fight was tough, so most certainly it would be difficult or not even the person could win the match or that fight, but the opposite happened. The person won the fight. Though the fight was tough, yet she won with flying colors. Another sentence, though the house was painted new, yet it smelled fresh. Now you have gone through so many correlative conjunctions, but have you noticed something? Yes, the use of the comma. Yeah, the use of the comma. So before putting the other conjunction, we need to put one comma. That means one comma has to follow the other correlative conjunction. Like in the first sentence, though the fight was tough. Alright, so though the fight was tough. Here we will put a comma, then we will place the other correlative conjunction here. That is, yet she won with flying color. The same goes for other correlative conjunctions as well. So that is something that you need to understand and remember and follow. Let us see the next. If then. So this conjunction joins the consequences of something, right? So it tells us about results of something. That means yes, the you got into an action, and now the reaction is expressed with the help of if then. Like in this sentence, if the bus arrives late, Then I will be late for school too. So here the result of the bus being late would be that person's being late to school as well. So that's what if then tells us. Let us see another sentence. If the oranges were fresh, then the fruit juice would have better taste. So if then is used for expressing consequences or results. Let's continue. So let us try to do some exercises. Like in a sentence, dash you study hard, dash you put in extra practice, you won't clear the exam without a mentor's guidance. So which correlative conjunctions would be most suitable to complete this sentence? It would be rather neither nor, whether or, both and, not only but also, either or. So the answer would be whether you study hard or you put in extra practice, you won't clear the exam without a mentor's guidance. Alright? So here we are talking about two aspects. The two aspects are studying hard and the next is of extra practice. But in the end, it will not give a positive result until another thing is done. That is taking guidance from a mentor. So here the suitable correlative conjunction would be whether nor, whether or. Let's continue. She is dash intelligent dash creative, making her a great team member. So this one is easy, I guess. Yes, here we're talking about two qualities of the person, right? So it is easy. Yes, this is so. The sentence would be like, she is not only intelligent but also creative, making her a great team member, right? Yes, we are talking about two qualities of the person, intelligent and creative. So she is not only intelligent but also creative. Let us see another sentence. We can go dash by train, dash by bus to reach the destinations. So here in this sentence, we are talking about some options. Yes, yes, choices, right? So we have to choose. So the suitable correlative conjunctions are we can go either by train or by bus to reach the destination. So either or. Let us see the last one. Dash the teacher, dash the students understand the difficult concept. Alright, so here we are talking about two subjects, the teacher and the students. So the suitable correlative conjunction would be here. Either the teacher, nor the students understood the difficult concept. So here we are talking about a negative aspect. The negative aspect of the teacher as well as the students. Alright? So they couldn't understand the concept. They both couldn't understand the concept. So the most suitable correlative conjunction is or are neither nor. So that's what correlative conjunction do or does in a sentence, and that's how we use correlative conjunctions.